Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have some more NASCAR Authentics from the 2019 Wave 7. We are going to do Kyle Larson's 2019 McDonald's Chevy Camaro ZL1. Let's get his car out of the box. Here's the hood of the McDonald's car. And here is his McDonald's 42. So here's the hood. It has the giant M and McDonald's. And that's it for the hood. So let's take a look at the car. So Kyle Larson took over the McDonald's sponsor after Jim McMurray left Chip Ganassi Racing. But in 2018, he did drive McDonald's with McMurray. But it's usually the same car. I mean, the same paint scheme as McMurray's. But I don't have it. So he has a yellow hood, McDonald's logo, a yellow trunk. There's a giant M on the side with a yellow line going out. His classic 42. McDonald's. Also, like I said, that his car does look like McMurray's 2018 car. So let's take a comparison between this one and this one. And there is a custom hood on this one because it's the playoffs for my NASCAR Interstate Batteries Cup Series. The race for my races. So basically, in 2018, McMurray drove this car, and Larson did have the same paint scheme as this car, but he has a new one. Also, there is another version of his McDonald's car, which is McDonald's Spicy Chicken car, which usually it's basically red with some white to it. I'll give you a 360 view. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.